What is good, y'all? This is actually the first kind of like vlog I'm doing for the YouTube channel. I want to kind of show you guys a day in my life of what it's like being a profitable trader. I was going to record in the morning, but I literally forgot in the morning to post, like record me getting up and actually hopping on the charts and talking to you guys live in the Discord. If you guys are not in the Discord, by the way, join up right now. It's completely free. You guys can come watch me trade live, do my live executions, thought process, live trades and whatnot, all completely for free. So tune into that. We hopped on the charts 6:30 a.m. This is market open. Just gonna do a quick recap of the trades today. This is what we saw coming into market open. Blue zone represents market open 6:30 a.m. because that's when I first that's my time zone, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern, 6:30 Pacific time. Hopped on, saw we had a bearish bias. This was some this was some explanations I was doing for the people on the TikTok live stream. But coming into market, we saw bearish bias, right? 200 MA sloping down, lower highs and lower lows in recent price action, and we're holding below the moving average, right? Very, very good sign for shorts. Along with that, we got that volatility at market open. I don't really trade that volatility. I wait for like a few minutes for this to pass by, 3-4 minutes. So that passed by. We got a really strong down move, pull back. I'm waiting for a momentum candle. Got it off that candle, entered short, stopped that instantly. It is what it is. 65% win rate with the 1-to-1. You know, can't win them all. So then we got that push down, push back up. This is the second trade idea. Very, very valid trade. Hit take profit right here. Amazing trade idea back over here. So those are kind of the two trades for the day. And yeah, now we're gonna go to the gym. I'll go get ready. We trade for the first 45 minutes of market, by the way. Those of you who are new and haven't seen me before, we trade for the first 45 minutes of market open. And then after that, I'm on live with the TikTok along with the Discord. Discord I'm live trading with the whole time and on TikTok live. But after 10:15, after I'm done trading, I'm on the TikTok live and answer you guys questions, doing a Q&A, going over the market and whatnot. So really, really good live today. Met a lot of new people. So a lot of you guys seem like you're getting a lot of value from the free education series, the A through Z trading blueprint on my YouTube. Some of you guys even got funded based off of those videos itself and my strategy. So glad it's working out for you guys. And now we're gonna go get ready, head to the gym and come back. Probably go some more live on TikTok, but we'll see. It depends what workout plan for the day. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. All right. Today is chest and try day. I think my mic's gonna connect to my car in a second. Gonna hit some chest try and then we're going out with the guys later today. So I'm gonna film that too and we'll see what happens. I recorded a video walking to the gym, but I guess I didn't press the record button. I don't even know if the lighting is good because the sun's behind me right now, but one thing I want to say, kind of like the lesson for the day, is it's so easy to get distracted from your phone, and you guys may not even realize it, but your phone is your biggest tool for success and your biggest enemy for success. It all depends on how you use it. It's very, very easy to get distracted, go on your phone, scroll on social media. It's almost a natural habit for most of us, including me. But the more times we don't give into that, the more times we actually try to stray away from it and not give into the habit, the stronger we'll get in kind of preventing that natural habit of just pulling at our phone. So do your best to not get distracted and not pull out your phone, and stay focused and do the work you know you need to do. We all know what we need to get done. So stay focused, do what you know you need to do, and you'll get it done, bro. Your phone is probably your biggest distraction. Go look at your screen time and tell me otherwise. Right now, about to get in the whip, go home, eat some breakfast, and then see what else we got left to do for the day. And then, yeah, I'll probably go live on TikTok, but we'll see. I gotta see what else I gotta get done for the day. But I'll catch you guys in the next part. Yo, we just came to fill up some gas. What have they done to the gas station, bro? They changed this shit up now. But yeah, we're about to fill up gas, go home, breakfast, stream, and yeah. So we're on the live now, streaming. We got 9 people in here right now. We just launched live. We got 12, 11 hovering over, but we just launched it. Gonna be live for like around an hour, and then I'm gonna go get my board waxed for tomorrow, and gonna go hit the slopes tomorrow. We're gonna see if the conditions are good. We're gonna hit the slopes, so you guys will see that. All right, we got the M8 pulled up. Gonna go wax our boards. Also, we have Mr. Bakshi here. Mr. Bakshi? Hello, Mr. Bakshi. There, Mr. Darrow. Why are you at my house again? Bro doesn't have a house. He has only his car.
$3,000 camera.
For the podcast.
I'm gonna throw it.
I'm gonna pay an editor to fucking edit that shit in. But yeah, we're going to wax our boards right now because we're hitting the slopes tomorrow. And then Derek's giving me his cameras for the podcast because he's gonna go hang out with this girl. And we're gonna go set it up until he gets there. So yeah. Alright, we're just linking up with the boys on the trades.
Linking up with the boys.
Oh, you're doing a vlog?
Yeah,
Bro, my resume didn't come out. I wanted to do a vlog this Friday too, but
I know. We have Davin's birthday coming up. We'll post it one then too. But right now we're just doing we just hit up this pizza spot right here. It looks like it'll be pretty fire. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. We fucking order, but it looks pretty fire. How you like the pizza?
bro,
Yes.
I feel bad. Grab one.
How's it?
Grab one.
Bro, I'm good.
Grab one.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Grab one.
I don't want it. Hey, oh my god, they just gave a pizza dough that was filled with fruits and Nutella. It was made from fresh homemade pizza dough.
What's that one dessert?
Which one?
Crepe.
It's like a puffed, 10x puffed crepe.
The dough is not
fruits
crepey.
inside. And the dough's not crepey. It's made of like homemade like pizza dough. It's just
guess
literally
what?
pizza dough.
You can't have it.
And they put Nutella inside it and on top, and I can't eat it because I have allergy to nuts.
Drink your water, big boy.
Actually, like so like annoying. And the pizza was good. Like the dough was good. Just the sauce, they put like only one spoon of sauce. Huh?
What's fixed on it for the camera?
Fixed on what?
You said you didn't like it.
I didn't. The good dough was good, but the fact that they put like no sauce was L, bro. Literally one bite and I'm already at the crust and no sauce. No.
I don't think I was like that too.
We have arrived at the podcast station. We're setting up the podcast right now. No one's done it. He's a bad person. They're over here setting up one of the cameras.
Yeah.
What are you doing? All the fucking
Dead
wire.
battery.
Setting up that. Lighting is setting up right now. This is like the pre-podcast sesh, how everything goes down. See like that. Lights are on the top right now. Oh, what was that? So we're trying to fix the lighting on me right now. Let me know if there's any shadows. There's literally no shadows.
Who are you yapping to?
Let me know if there's shadows. This video is gonna be posted after the podcast is done.
You're not even gonna edit this. You're not even gonna post it. Is your Big Bear vlog up yet?
No,
Exactly.
that's
Ellen
crazy.
chat for Aura.
Bro said that's crazy to himself.
Bro, she's shadows, bro. Give me the shadows.
Backwards.
Podcast is done.
Finally.
These two are not wrestling, actually.
I'm back here in 6 hours.
He's back in 6 hours. He might have secured a bag. Actually, I'm not.
Yeah, actually though, that was
He might have.
the W of the night.
Yes, sir. Daryl.
Hey, bro, you can say, hey, catch this.
Did he come in?
Drop him. All right, don't hit the mirror. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow we're going to hit the slopes. That'll be fun. So yeah, I didn't get that much footage from today. It's like the first vlog I've done. Like not used to pulling out the camera randomly, just filming like horizontally out in public. But that's something I want to plan on working on, just because like if you guys actually want to see more of vlog type content and what goes on day to day in terms of our group or like my life and what we do. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more of those type of videos. Actually, I don't even know if you guys can see me, bro. There's like no light. I didn't go outside. Let me go back inside.
Hey, I put my shit down, put the lights on.
Why you turn the lights off? Turn the lights on.
Oh, it's up. The things are gonna kick in. Well, let's
But yeah,
Bro, wait.
gonna wrap it up. I think it's around like 12 right now.
I got something that you're gonna put me
Finished it. What?
It's my car, I'll show you.
But yeah, that's gonna wrap up today. And then tomorrow, me and Daryl Trades are gonna hit the slopes. Yeah.
Oh,
Alright, bro. Fucking awkward ass. You fucking streamer, bro. You're not supposed to be awkward.